Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can remove PayPal Express Checkout Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your preferred browser and go to official website of Shopify. After that, make sure that you are logged into your account. Then all you need to do is click on Online Store. Here, scroll down and look for Customize, but click on the three dots and a pop-up will appear. Inside this pop-up, click on Edit Code. Now here, in the search bar at the left corner, search for card. Then look for Card Template Liquid. If you open it, look for Code, then click on the Ctrl F and start Additional Checkout button. After that, remove the Checkout button or comment out this code. So that's basically how you can remove PayPal Express Checkout Shopify. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.